Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today as you can see I'm going to show you guys my 2020 makeup favorites. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also subscribe and comment down below what else video do you want me to do. So yeah, it's gonna be a long ass video, and also do check out my Instagram. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll be showing you guys is the necessity of your makeup. Like whenever you do makeup, you need makeup brushes, and that too good quality makeup brushes. And the ones which I have been loving this year are by Cuffs and Lashes. So I actually have 7 to 10 of their brushes, I believe, and I'm showing you a few of their brushes. You can see this is actually a face brush, and these are like super soft and perfect for contouring. This is a blush brush that I have, and this is a blending brush. You can check out my review, it will be there in the description box if you want to check out these brushes. The second will be the Swiss Beauty's Illuminating Primer. It doesn't do anything for your pores, but it's a very beautiful moisturizing and moisturizing primer, and it gives you a perfect dewy finish. I love this using from the winters because I do have an oily skin type, but if you are a dry skin type, you are gonna love this. I freaking love this, and you can see how much I've finished. There are a lot of products from Cuffs and Lashes indeed, because I have tried a lot of products this year from them. And the next product is gonna be the Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pot. So this is how it looks like. I will be linking down the review below, so if you want to check them out, you can, and I will highly suggest these cover pots. These are like full coverage. I love this. Is going to be the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. I absolutely love this product. The consistency and everything is perfect for all skin types. Although it's an anti-aging thing, as it contains retinol, I use it as I have an acne prone skin type, and I think you should try it as it's like very affordable. The next product I'll be talking about is by Swiss Beauty. So these are the Swiss Beauty Liquid Glitter Eyeshadows, and these are how it looks like. I have 6 shades of them in total. Again, I have a review up for these glitters already up on my channel, so you can check it out. I'll just swatch one of the glitters for you. I'm gonna swatch the shade 04, and I already have 2 shades on my eyes. These are like very beautiful and pigmented glitters. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it looks absolutely stunning. The next product is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur Perfect Primer, and this is actually the anti-redness primer. This doesn't do anything nicely, which I absolutely love about this product, and it isn't that expensive, so you can really invest in this one. I love this primer, and I will highly recommend this. Is the Makeup Revolution X Soap Highlighter Palette. This is how it looks like. You can see the condition of it. It's actually broken. As you can see how much I've used this. This is my most favorite highlighter palette. I just don't go back to other highlighters because there is like every shade present in this palette, and it's not very expensive too. So I think you can really go ahead and invest in this one. If you are a makeup artist, this is going to be amazing for you. Start. Product I have is by Swiss Beauty. This is their Ultra Blush Palette in the number 04, and this is how it looks from inside. It has like 2 highlighters. This is one satin finish highlighter, and this is a baked one, and like a bronzer shade, a contour shade, and also highlighting powders. So if you are someone who wants like a total face palette, you can definitely go ahead and invest in this one. This is very finely milled. It's set. I have used this on my face right now, and it's just amazing. The PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer, I got this recently, and I'm loving this so much. This is like a full coverage makeup concealer. It just hides your dark circles in a jiffy. If you are someone who has dark circles, this is your bae. So the next thing I'm going to suggest is the Cuffs and Lashes eyeliner. So these are the 2 eyeliners which I am loving. This is the ColourPop one, and this is the blackest black color. This is in the shade Pitch, and this one is in the shade Khaleesi. I love these eyeliners absolutely a lot. So the next product will be about a brow pomade or a brow cream. So this year I have been continuously using the PAC's brow cream in the shade 03 Walnut Wax, and this is an amazing brow cream. I just love this so much. I have it on my brows right now. You can see how much I have used it up. Like, you get a lot of product in this, and I absolutely love this because it is just the perfect shade for my eyebrows, and it's like super creamy, and it stays on for a long time. I'm gonna show you is this lipstick. This is by Essence. This is their Color Boost Matte About Matte lipstick. No one really talks about it a lot, but this is an amazing lipstick. I personally have the shade, I guess it's 04 or 08. I'll be mentioning that on the screen so you guys can check it out. I'll just show you the swatch of the lipstick. You do get 8 ml of product, and plus it's like super cheap. This is how the shade looks like. I absolutely love this product. This is just amazing. You should at least try this once. Next product I have is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. This is in the shade 319. I suppose it's the shade 317 Almond, and it's an amazing concealer. It's again like this full coverage, flawless concealer which stays put for a very long period of time. I really love this. It has like this huge doe foot applicator which you can see. You should, like, if you want to check out a proper review, like a detailed review, it is already up on my channel, so I'll be again linking that down in the description box below. So the next product I'll be recommending you guys is lashes. So I am literally obsessed with eyelashes in this year, and my favorites are going to be by Swiss Beauty, by Hilary Rhoda, and by Red Cherry. These like have amazing lashes. So these are the Swiss Beauty lashes. So I actually got them in 3 variants. As you guys can see, I have are the 2 Hilary Rhoda lashes. So these are how it look like. They absolutely look so natural. They like look like mink lashes, for which you guys can pay 1000 to 2000 rupees, but these eyelashes are like super cheap. I'll again show you the Red Cherry lashes. These all are like similar kind of lashes, and these all are available on Cuffs and Lashes, so you can check them out because they do have a variety of lash collection. So the next product is the Organics Mantra Retinol Serum. This has like 3% of retinol, so if you are a beginner with retinol, don't start off with this. But I have been enjoying this product a lot because it has toned down my acne a lot. Like, I have this crazy acne prone skin, but this has actually helped me to tone down the acne, and this is just amazing. If you have acne prone skin, or if you want to use it for anti-aging purpose, you should definitely try this out. So the next product I'm going to talk about is the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in the shade 15 Light. Yes, I am like NC 38 to 40-ish skin tone, but I really enjoy this powder. Like, it acts as a very beautiful brightening powder under my eyes, and I absolutely love this. This is like very finely milled, and it also gives you that high kind of coverage, so I absolutely love it. The next thing is again going to be a loose powder. So this is by Swiss Beauty. This is the Prime and Set Loose Powder, and this, you guys, this translucent powder is so finely milled. You can even just take it and feel it. It feels so good, I'm telling you. It's just gonna mattify your pores down. It's gonna make your skin look blurred out and so smooth. It's just amazing. So the next product I'm going to show you guys is by Kalilis. You might not have heard about this brand, but this brand is available on Amazon, and you do have, like, you can go and search them on Instagram too. So this is the Kalilis eyelash adhesive. It's an amazing eyelash glue. This is again very affordable. I don't really buy the pack one because I think it's a little bit more expensive for an eyelash glue, so I just love this one. You should definitely try this out. So the next product I'm going to share with you guys is a Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is actually a body lotion. This is by the brand called as Bath and Body Works. I absolutely love their body lotion. It's an amazing one. You should check this out. It has an amazing fragrance too. I got this from Nykaa, and yeah, the consistency is so good. It's gonna like stay on your skin for around maybe 17 to 18ish hours. It doesn't stay for 24 hours though, but I really like. This product I have is the Max Prime Plus Fix Makeup Fixer. So this is I got this recently. I actually like it because, you know, it just blurs and smoothens out your pores if you apply this as a primer, and it just, you know, makes your makeup look so good after you set it with this makeup fixer, and it makes your makeup last really long. So the next thing is again going to be a moisturizer. So this is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is an amazing moisturizer, you guys, especially for your summer times, or you can even apply this as a sleeping mask. This just smoothens your skin out again, and it's amazing for oily skin people, and even dry or normal skin people can use it during the summertime. Like, I absolutely love this, and this is like ultra cheap, so you can definitely give it a try. So the next product I like has to be nail paints, because I'm obsessed with nail paints. So these two are by Swiss Beauty, and these are their glitter nail polishes. These are in the shade 02 and 24. These are amazing glitter nail polishes. I actually have them on this finger, as you can see right now. And the another shade which I'm loving is from My Glam Lit Nail Polish. This, I actually purchased this, all of these myself, nothing is sponsored, and this one is in the shade FOMO. It's a perfect neon shade. I am currently wearing this on my finger, on my nails right now, and I absolutely love these. So the next product I absolutely love is by Makeup Revolution. This is a reloaded blush in the shade Ballerina, and this is how pretty it looks like. This is such a beautiful muted pink kind of shade. I absolutely love this shade. This is how it looks like, and it's an amazing blush. I am actually loving using this blush in all my makeup looks. So yeah, that was all for this video, you guys, and if you want more such videos, do comment down below. And yeah, if you're wondering about this eye look right over here, this will be up on my Instagram already, so you can go ahead and check it out. The Instagram ID will be mentioned somewhere on the screen. So yeah, bye bye, take care.